Hi, I'm Mike McBride with Mason-McBride. We want to spend a couple of minutes chatting with you about our partnership and our investment in the Aclaimant platform and why we think that it can be an instrumental tool in helping you with your risk management process. So the origins of Aclaimant emanate back to our involvement in the captive insurance program, where we found ourselves really dissatisfied with the way claims were being handled and figured there was a better way of doing this. Out of the experience with that, the Aclaimant platform was born. It originally started out as a work comp management tool. Once we engaged the marketplace, it has evolved into a much more robust risk tool that manages incidents regardless of what particular line of business or what particular type of losses we're trying to manage. We describe it as an incident management platform. When you look at the evolution of losses that occur inside a company's experience, they start out as incidents. And incidents become events, and then events become claims. And really the ability to manage the incident up front can serve as an effective tool in helping us mitigate events or eliminate events, which then become claims.
Aclaimant is centered around the end user experience. There is no end usability if the tool isn't practical to deploy, and if you don't break down all the usual barriers to adoption like cost and the incredible complexity and talent needed to launch a system of this nature. So that's a huge advantage for our customers. We adapt to our customers' needs and circumstances. Another big difference is that our organization was founded by people with backgrounds in risk, not backgrounds in technology. So we always start with that core focus on the needs of our users, and then we build the technology around that. It's almost infinitely expandable. It can be adapted to practically any sort of incident or circumstance, particularly ones that involve a workflow or with multiple people who have something else as their day job, but they need to be able to handle this stuff, yet they don't really know how and they need some help. We can designate in advance what needs to be done when a certain type of incident happens, and we can instantly bring in all the other people who need to be aware, and we can produce dashboards so that managers know what's going on at any point in time. It's affordable. Because of the tremendous flexibility of the tool, there isn't a one-size-fits-all deployment or a pricing structure that our usual payback is going to be many times the cost of the tool.
What's interesting is every single demonstration that we've done with a client on Aclaimant, the client took something away from it that we didn't anticipate that they found they could use it for in the management of incidents beyond what it currently is providing. And so the Aclaimant platform is continuing to evolve in terms of its robustness and what it can do for a client. We are firm advocates that you as a client should control your own risk data and not rely on an insurance company exclusively. The ability for you to control your data, the ability for you to warehouse it, analyze it together with us, and be able to articulate where trends may be and how we can head off trends for a much more powerful conversation with underwriters. You know, one of our taglines here is risk is our business, but in essence, really, risk is your business as a client. Controlling your data is an essential element in controlling your risk and making risk your business and working with us to do that together. Thanks again for your time and checking out this video on this unique tool. It is part of what we're doing every day to help bring you unique and creative ways to manage your risk in an ever-changing marketplace.